Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about foundations. There's so many out there, fabulous ones. We're going to find the right one for your skin type. Today we are going to be matching foundations to our skin type. Where do we test foundation? Over the many years, I have bought so many different types of foundations, different colours, etc, etc. I finally found one that I love. That is like it's like natural skin, it's flawless, there's no transfer, and I'm super happy. How did I get there? Over all those years, now hitting 50, I got there by trial and error. Now, I found one that I love, and I like to share some tips. When you are going to purchase a foundation, I know sometimes people want to try it on their chest, their throat, or on their jawline. I always think you should test your foundation before you buy it where you want to wear it, and you want to wear it on your face, so you should test it on your face. Now, naturally, the outside of your face is darker. That's where the sun's fell. That's just a natural contour. Lots of us have natural darkness on the outside of our face. And we say, oh, but if I don't get the one that matches out here, it won't match on the inside of my face. And I understand that argument. Sometimes you might have to buy two foundations. Or you might need to not put any foundation on the outer part of your face and warm up with a bronzer or a blusher. But what I tend to do is match the foundation to the inside of my face, because that's where women especially have the most discoloration. And I match it on the inside and I work outwards. By the time I get outwards, there's not much on my brush. Now, because my forehead and underneath my cheekbones are darker, I do wear two different foundations and I buff it in together. But there's another trick where you can powder it down, use a bronzer or use a blusher. You don't want to match your foundation from your neck, because your neck sometimes hasn't been exposed that much, and it might be darker than your face. Your chest hasn't been exposed that much. We only really expose our chest in the summer, so that's going to be always much brighter, or it might have a different undertone. If you're going to match your foundation with your chest or your throat, it might not match up. 95% of the time it's not going to match up. So I always say a good tip is match your foundation on the inside of your face, work your way out, and if you have to, you may need two foundations. If that's too much, then try to use the blusher to warm out the outside of your face, or just matte it down. So when trying to get a match for your foundation, I am actually wearing foundation on my face, so that's why I'm matching it on my face. And this is an example. You can see I've got some shades, and I need to find the one that matches my skin tone the best. And I'm going to go for this one right here, because I think once I buff that in and that warms up, that's going to settle beautifully on my skin and really give me that youthful glow, but at the same time, that beautiful, flawless finish that we all want. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, where we've got tips on highlighters, concealers, correctors, primers, moisturizer creams, and many more.